#1 brand in irons, priced over $40 in the entire country. #1 brand, but you know what they don't do? They don't make this particular design for anyone except for us right here at HSN. Only here are you gonna find this exclusive Focus 17-2500 watt steam iron with a 3D sole plate. That 3D sole plate is gonna make all the difference. But this is technology that truly German technology that really gives you something that's gonna work for you in terms of giving you a tremendous amount of steam. And that's because you can actually see the difference right here. This is the patented German technology that you're looking at that's gonna bring so much steam to all of your garments, even if you use this as a handheld steamer, which you totally can. Because what you're looking at, 400 holes that allow that steam to evenly cover that garment. In addition to that though, what you're also seeing is just a little ridge around it. That 3D sole plate, which again, patented technology that nobody else has except for us right here at HSN. That patented technology means the steam doesn't escape out the sides, it stays on the garment, which means you're gonna get a better finish. Every time you iron, you're gonna get better results, faster results, and that's what it's all about when it comes to ironing. We have 2 color choices for you. This is the burgundy you're looking at right here. And then right next to that is going to be the pretty blue as well, almost like a really deep, rich navy blue. Our price is gonna be $59.99. Best value, absolutely anywhere in the country. We're gonna do free shipping. We're gonna do 4 flex payments for you as well. And we're gonna introduce you to Lauren O'Quinn. Lauren is the brand ambassador for Rowenta. And understand, our sister network, QVC,
yes,
has sold over, I think something like 3 million?
Over 3 million.
3 million
Rowenta irons have been
of
sold
a
there.
similar iron from Rowenta, but not this one. Only we at HSN have this particular patented design.
That's
and thank
right.
you for bringing us something so special.
You're welcome. We're super excited to be here. You know, Rowenta is a brand that's trusted throughout the world, over 100 years of quality. But this is the first time that we've come to HSN, and we're super excited because this 3D sole plate is absolutely what you're looking for. Steam is actually the name of the game, Alice, in ironing. This is linen I'm actually ironing right now. This is a kitchen towel. And you know how linen is actually not the easiest fabric to work with because it's thick. And so often it's hard. I wanna show you this. We can get right in here and create the perfect crease with 1 pass, because the 1 pass technology is what makes the Rowenta so special. You can save time, and how much is your time worth, right? We can get this done quickly and easily. I wanna show you a little bit about our German engineering, and this is what makes Rowenta really different. These are our sole plates. This is the sole plate that you get when you are used to using a traditional iron. It might be what you have right now. If your iron spits and it leaks, I bet you've got a sole plate that looks like this. You'll see big steam holes. There's only about 16 of these. You've got corners here that catch on your garments. You have the type of material that kind of sticks as it goes, and it can sometimes leave those iron marks on your garments. This is Rowenta's sole plate. The 400 micro steam holes. It's stainless steel, so it glides. All you have to do is guide it, and it glides. And here's really the secret to these steam chambers. This is your traditional iron steam chamber. It's just like a little teaspoon worth of steam.
That little tiny
that
spot
little
right there.
tiny red spot
Who
right
knew?
there. That's how much, right? And you can see that it's not evenly distributed amongst the sole plate. But right here, this is the Rowentas. The blue area is our steam chamber, and as you can see, it's distributed through the whole sole plate. So you've got this even steam coming out through those micro steam holes, and that's what gets you the perfect results every single time, and in a quick and easy manner.
That's right, and you're looking at a unique patented 3D sole plate that nobody else has except for us right here at HSN. So you're gonna get, you saw those massive amounts of steam. You know, it doesn't matter how much steam the iron makes. If it can't get to the garment, who cares, right? It doesn't make any difference. 400 now, 400 outlets for that steam to come in evenly, be able to release those wrinkles, give you those beautiful knife edge creases on your jeans, on your linen, everything. And then I love too, everything about this design is so beautifully thought through, Lauren. For example, just look at the point on that.
Yes.
So you really can get in those little nooks and crannies, you know, and really get in there and just, again, even there, you're gonna find that steam can help you release all of those wrinkles. So all you have to do is decide, do I want the blue, do I want the burgundy? This is your steam iron that even will work as an upright steamer. So that's pretty remarkable, especially when you see the burst of steam. It's just unlike any other.
Yes, those bursts of steams are what gets you in and out so quickly, right? And you know, some different types of garments can't actually be laid down on a board and iron, things like velvet or corduroy. I'm gonna show you some of those. But this can, and that's what's so amazing. So it can steam too. And a lot of people have gone to vertical steaming. They don't do a whole lot of ironing on the board anymore, right? But you really need a tool that allows you to do both. This is all in one garment care, and that's really important because sometimes you need to steam and sometimes you need to iron. You know, when you want to get a collar really great, then you can't really do that with vertical steam like you can. But look at this, corduroy, I can't do on the board.
It is a crazy cloud of steam.
I know, I love it. It actually makes me feel powerful. There's some things gratifying about it, you know, when you get that big burst of steam, absolutely. So you're able to get corduroy, you're able to get cashmere, velvet. Steam is safe for every type of fabric, but there's no match to the way that this iron works on garments. You know, this is linen. Again, a lot of us have linen. I live in Florida, so. But how many garments do you have?
I stopped buying linen because it's just so high maintenance.
I was just about to say, how many garments do you have in your closet that you avoid?
Right.
Because they're too much trouble. This helps you shop your closet. Let's do this. We're gonna go one pass straight down the garment. Now this has a continuous steam option, Alice. So when I put it in this position, it knows, hey, I need to be putting steam out, right? So right now, you can have the steam all the way up to high. Look at this, I've got the steam coming out right there. You can see that. It just knows from being in this position. I can add a burst of steam anytime I want, but it is an amazing tool. I want you to use it. Do you want to try it?
Oh, sure.
Here, let me give you a wrinkled leg, and then you tell me what you think. Because it really is the task, not the tool. That's the thing. A lot of people think, oh, this is a terrible task, but if they have the right tool.
Right, it's just like with anything.
Exactly.
You know, it's all about the tool.
Yeah.
And if you have a tool that has new technology, look at this.
I mean, if you have a dishwasher that doesn't clean your dishes.
It almost self-irons.
Right, it really does.
It just kind of
I like to grab it by the cord and just pull
glides.
it back to show you, exactly, you guide it, it glides.
That's amazing.
We call it guide and glide because you don't have to do any work. So this is a great mid-weight iron. It's about 3 1/4 pounds. It's not super heavy, but it's heavy enough to do the job so you don't have to press down.
Look at that.
Isn't that great? Well done.
Beautiful. And you know what? Even on the other side, irons all the way through.
Yes, one pass.
Yeah, one pass. Let me tell you, did you notice though that when you're ironing that you don't see a lot of the steam coming out?
Yes.
And that's what makes this different.
That's
because the steam, again, is staying there because it has that 3D technology that nobody else has. Nowhere else does Rowenta create an iron like this except for us right here at HSN. They're debuting it today. We've never offered it before. And like I said, nowhere else can you find this.
Absolutely. And you know, I want to show you how easy it is to do things in your house. But first I want to talk to you a little bit about, Alice, the fact that we have a really safe technology here. If you forget about your iron, you walk away from it, you've got it sitting in this position, then within 8 minutes it will turn itself off, which is a safety feature, right? But if you knock it over and you leave it, or you leave it face down like this, or you knock it on its side, your animal knocks it off or something, it will shut off within 30 seconds. It also will heat back up within 30 seconds, which is a really great thing. When we came over here, actually, this was already had gone to standby mode because it had been more than 8 minutes since I played with it. Look, I'm gonna show you how easily you can come and grab your curtains with a burst of steam. This is linen, again, and linen is not the most cooperative fabric, but this tool, it beats it into submission. So you can get that linen perfectly refreshed. I love the steam technology too because you can refresh things that you don't necessarily launder all the time. Steam really helps get that, you know, smell out and make it look vibrant and new all over again.
And I know it may be a little bit hard to see the steam against that light color, but you can hear it, right? You can hear the power of that steam coming out of there because that is the definition of a burst of steam. Look, it's crazy, right? It's amazing.
I know, I love it.
But it's different technology. That's what enables this iron and separates it from all the irons that are out there. And no iron can be this iron because this is patented technology. This is German technology that truly is updating, upgrading the way that we iron now because of the fact that it has 400 outlets now for that steam to come out, all distributed evenly on that plate. Not just 400 outlets. I mean, look at the typical iron you're using. Like you said, maybe 10, 16 little holes.
Exactly.
And they're big, and what does that mean? It means that they drip and they spit, and half the time they make a bigger mess than what you're trying to accomplish. Because of the technology now, look at all of those holes. That means that steam burst can come right out, but then you'll notice there's just a little ridge around it as well. That's your 3D technology that nobody else has except this iron offered only here at HSN. And that 3D technology means the steam is going to stay put. So it's gonna actually work to help release the wrinkles from the garment. This is what it's all about, Lauren.
Yes, it is. That Soleplate is what makes this different. And anyone that's ever used a Rowenta, we've had people calling in, they talk about it. They're like, you know, once I used a Rowenta, I could never go back to a regular iron. We had a lady that called actually at midnight, and she had had her Rowenta for 25 years. And she was just calling because she wanted to upgrade.
25 years?
25 years. And 21 of those years she was in the military. So can you imagine how much ironing she did? Because, you know, people that are in the military, or
always
actually
have to have that perfect pleat.
Yeah, they do. Quilters, crafters, they use the Rowenta all the time. You know, I want to show you just how easy it is to get around these details. This is that precision point.
That precision point is going to be so good. I mean, you get right, you actually get under the buttons.
Exactly, and it's got steam all the way down there to the tip, so you're getting that perfect iron every time. And we've got a great, great flat surface now. I want to show you how well we can do a collar too. A collar is a really,
Lauren, you
tricky
think about
thing.
what people pay just to get a piece pressed, because it matters so much, you know, that you look sharp, that you really have something that looks so finished. It makes all the difference in the appearance that you present. And now you're gonna be able to do that without having to send it out, without having to drop it at the dry cleaners, wait for them to do it, and actually pay them money just to do the ironing on a piece, the pressing. But that's what they do. They use these machines that have so much steam. They use technology that we haven't had access to. And we haven't had access to this one because this is brand new today. New, exclusive, nowhere else with that 3D Soleplate. It's gonna lock in that steam so it really will work to release those wrinkles even better than ever. That precision point is gonna give you that perfect line. And just really an amount of steam that you have to see to believe.
You do, and I really think that it helps you care for your garments better. You know, sometimes we try to save money, I think, in ways that cost us money in the end. You know, we buy something inexpensive because we think, oh, you know, I can spend the money on this. But the problem is that if you buy a $20 iron, you get $20 worth of service. And so within a couple of years, you're having to buy another one. And the worst part is it's not good on your clothes, right? It's spitting, it's leaking. If you've ever had those calcium deposits that it leaves on your clothes when it's leaking all over them, then you can't wear those. It doesn't create the creases that you're looking for. It just doesn't take care of the garment like this type of quality does. The German engineering makes all the difference. If you like, you know, the German sports cars, then this is the same kind of concept that you're getting quality with these irons, and that is the difference. Plus, you've got a lot of flexibility, because if you're a person who likes to vertically steam, you've got that too, and it's all in one. Look, this is, you know, a lot of us have embellishments on our clothes, and you're not gonna lay that down onto the board, but you can absolutely vertically steam it and get a nice, smooth surface going here, and that's done in 30 seconds or less, right? Polo shirts, things like that. We've all got these types of things in our closet that we just have to refresh it sometimes before we wear it.
I bet it's been forever since you replaced your iron, right? Because we tend to get something, then we just tend to keep it, because there really isn't a new innovation. There isn't any new technology that's gonna improve it. You're getting new technology here. You're getting a better way to be able to really make those garments just look so beautiful. You know, we have to iron because it makes such a difference when you know when it has that perfect press on it. You know when it has that perfect pleat that it just looks so sharp. It makes such a difference in your appearance. Get something that's gonna make it easier than ever and do a better job than ever because of those 400 steam outlets that you have here, evenly distributed because of that 3D technology now that's going to lock in that steam so it's not escaping out to the sides. Instead, it's going to stay right on that garment and help to release all of those wrinkles. This is the technology that is unique, that is patented, that is in no other, not even another Rowenta. Okay, not even another Rowenta iron in the country, in the world, I guess.
That's right.
Nowhere else can you find this technology except right here, right now. And by the way, this is the only Today Special of the entire year where we're going to feature an iron. So we decided to do the best of the best.
That's exactly right. You know, we really feel like if you try this Rowenta, you'll really feel the difference right away, and you'll learn to love this task. I mean, we all have to do it. We have to take care of our garments. We have to have the right tool. You know,
I think it's when you get good results.
It
you know,
is.
It's like anything
gratifying.
else. Yeah, it's when you can really see the difference, and you're not fighting it. You're not fighting to get those wrinkles out. It's almost like self-ironing. It really is.
It absolutely is. And when you don't dread it, then you're more likely to take better care of things. You know, I mean, carpenters have to have the right tools, right? You wouldn't cut a steak with a butter knife. I mean, these are the types of things that we need in order to do the job well, and it lasts such a long time. The German engineering really means that it's quality, it's going to last. So yes, it's an investment, but we're talking about, you know, a very, very small investment for a very long time.
You're looking at $15 on a flex payment. I mean, if you do go to the dry cleaner, what is that? One pair of pants, 2 pairs of pants?
Maybe.
I mean, yeah, exactly. And why in the world would you do that when you can get this home? You can try it. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee. We make it so simple. We're even going to pick up the free shipping and handling today. So with free shipping and handling, get it home and experience it. If you don't love it, you're welcome to send it back. We don't ask any questions. We don't make it difficult, okay? We know that you're trusting us, that you're ordering something online, and you're seeing it on TV, which, you know, frankly, you can see the steam, but until you see it in person, it is just a virtual cloud of steam. That's what Rowenta brings to your ironing table. And I do have our ironing center coming up, so I hope you'll stay tuned for that because we've got, I think, the lowest price we've ever done on that, so stay tuned for that. Blue and burgundy are your color choices. You're gonna find that the task goes not just faster, but I think it's because you get such better results that it's really going to make a difference in the appearance of
Sorry, my clothes are diving there. Yes.
Because if you walk into a meeting, if you walk into a wherever, dinner, whatever, and you look like you slept in your clothes, I mean, seriously?
Yes. Well, you know, first impressions are lasting impressions, right? And so we can't ever take those first impressions back. And honestly, I mean, so many times we just avoid certain clothes because we think that's going to be too much trouble, or you know, you grab something else out of your closet that's not quite as nice but doesn't require the time. I keep this kind of set up in the corner of my bathroom, and then all I need to do, remember, it only takes 30 seconds to heat this iron up. So 30 seconds to heat up. Yes, 30 seconds to heat it up, and then all you have to do
I mean, some of us have handheld steamers, and those take, like, I think, up to 2 minutes.
Yes,
30
easily.
seconds, your iron is hot, the steam is ready to go. And show us, if you would, one more time, the steam chambers, because again, not all irons are created equal. It's not just this heating unit that is enabling you to release those wrinkles. It is the steam, it is the distribution of the steam, it is that 3D Soleplate that keeps that steam where it needs to be. And look at how much more steam you're gonna be able to create.
Such a big difference. You've got the Rowenta steam plate. It looks like a pool, a big blue pool.
Okay, so the blue area is the part that creates the steam, is that right?
That's right. So the blue area is what holds the steam.
Area.
Exactly. And this is the traditional iron with just that little red area. That's how much steam you get with those. Remember, you've also got 1,725 watts of power with the Rowenta. 1,800 watts is how much our outlets can handle in America. So you're almost at maximum capacity for the wattage. And so, and then you've got that maximum wattage combined with this Soleplate, 400 micro steam holes. And just look at the size of it. You can tell right away that the job's easier.
That was one of the first things I noticed is just having that size difference. It means everything's gonna go so much faster.
Absolutely it is. And look at the corners. These are, as you see, actual corners. These catch on your garments. These are rounded, so nothing catches, it just glides right along. So we really call it, you just have to guide it, and then you can glide it right down the clothing. It runs super easy, so you don't have to do the work. It's the professional, so you don't have to be.
Exactly. Listen, evenly, we are selling the colors. You like the burgundy and you like the navy so far. I'm glad you guys are picking this up because you know what? It's gonna make a difference. There are some things that may not be the sexy purchases if it's not that new cute pair of shoes or whatever, but it's the things that you do day in and day out that can make such a big difference. And when you think about the way you're gonna look sharp, your clothes are gonna look great, you're gonna get the job done faster, but it's gonna be done better. You're looking at a price point, $59.99 with our flex payment. That means you can split it up on your credit card. $15 to get it home. You don't even pay any shipping and handling because we're gonna pick that up for you to get it right to your, delivered right to your front door. All you have to do is you do have to take it out of the box when it gets there. But in 30 seconds, you're gonna be ironing, and not just ironing, steaming your clothes, because this truly has a steam system that is unlike any other. This is patented technology. Nobody else can claim to have a 3D Soleplate. Nobody else in the country, and even at our fabulous sister network, QVC, where they've sold over 3 million Rowentas. Over 3 million. Even QVC does not have this particular model. It was brought to us exclusively right here at HSN. We'd probably love to share with them one day.
One day, but right now, this
we
is
love when it's all in the family.
Only.
But this is only here and only today. For the rest of the entire year, you will not see a better price than what you're seeing today at $59.99. I'll take another little turn.
Yeah, go for it. Here.
You know, it really does.
See, create the creases.
It almost irons itself, just the way it's so smooth.
It does.
But you're not going to have any kind of spitting or anything like that. And that's what's gonna make such a big difference, I think. Look at this.
Yes,
I mean,
that's linen.
Effortless.
So it's really hard to see sometimes what fabrics are, but this is a very thick linen. So I want you to know that this is not the easiest fabric necessarily to iron, but this iron makes it easy. That's the thing, right? So you barely have to, just the lightest touch, and you guide it down. And that's all. You know, a lot of us grew up kind of sawing.
Right.
Because that's what we got used to, right?
Yeah.
This whole thing. And this one is just, nope, just glide it down.
I think what really demonstrates that 3D technology, which I was like, what in the world is it, right? This is patented technology. They created just a little ridge so it keeps that steam focused on the fabric so it doesn't let it escape out. That's why when you pull it up, okay? That's why when you pull it up, then you see it all releases out.
It's trapping it, it's focusing it into that garment. Yep, that's why we call it the focus.
Look how pretty that is.
Look, even cashmere. Look at this. I can hit cashmere with steam.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that great?
Do you know how much it costs to get that fluffed?
A lot. I know.
Yes, it does. Lauren, thank you so much for bringing this to us.
Thanks for having me.
Only time for the rest of the entire year, you're gonna see an iron featured as our today's special. So you might pick it up, burgundy, and we do have the blue available. And something else we have available for you is our Hsn Protection Plus. You can add that into your order if you would like, 24/7 customer service. And what's nice, no deductibles. We don't deal with that, come on. You don't need to worry about anything like that. Let us take care of it for you. We do want to focus on our laundry room though, and we're gonna move on now to the ironing center, because now when it comes to being able to have the surface to iron on, we're gonna give you something, I call it just pure camouflage. This thing is so good looking that you simply can't believe it's an ironing board. But it's not just an ironing board that you're